Hey, what's up you guys? Today's video, we are going to be talking about taxes. What is tax? Tax is a compulsory financial charge or something other type of levy imposed on a taxpayer. It's by a governmental organization in order to fund government spending and various public expenditures and taxes. And those you don't know, taxes are basically the government's money that a lot of people should pay their tax to the government because that's how the law is worked for. So if you, like, for example, on tax day, which is yesterday, on tax day everybody has to pay their taxes each year. But if they don't pay their taxes, then that's an issue. Because if you don't pay your taxes, then what's it going to be like in the future when you don't pay your taxes? Well, if you don't pay your taxes, you could get arrested. But some people also ask that question too. There is a penalty for not paying taxes. You will owe on return is 0.5% of the unpaid tax for each month or partial month until you pay. The penalty maxes out as 25% of your unpaid taxes, which is not good. After some time, the IRS may notify you with the intent to levy, garnish your wages, which is your salaries, excuse me, and taking your money from your bank accounts, which is something that never happens when somebody doesn't pay their taxes. Excuse me, sorry, I had a little itchy throat. But yeah, so if you don't pay your taxes, they're going to take your money away from your bank account. 25% of maximum penalty, that's a lot of percentage of your tax being unpaid. But that is a penalty for one thing. But one other example of tax. There's types of taxes include income, corporate, capital gains, property, inheritance, and sales. Most likely it will be insurance tax, but you know. But what is the symbol of the tax definition? A tax is a mandatory payment or charge collected by local, state, and national governments, which is the state government, the local government, and national government. But all these governments are from individuals or businesses to cover the costs of the general government service, goods, and activities. Which the government will do is to cover all that up. But in order to save a lot of money, you gotta pay your taxes. Because if you hear the word taxes, that means that you got to pay for the government. The government takes their money to transfer it to the bank, so that way each year we rotate the money back and forth, which is something that a lot of people know. Because see, if we don't have taxes, where we gonna get our jobs? Like, where we gonna get the money? If there's no taxes, then there's gonna be no money. Cause see, everything has to be priced. I mean, and there's how much money will not pay taxes. So, income requirements for filing taxes. For example, in 2020, which is 3 years ago, if someone under 65 filing as a single taxpayer made at least $12,400, they have to file taxes in 2021. At the same age and filing status, the income, their threshold with $12,550, which is something that there's a lot of things that could happen. Okay, we're not gonna ask any questions about this. Let's go to the credits. What is a credit for tax? The term tax credit refers to an amount of money that taxpayers can subtract directly from the taxes they owe. This is different from tax deductions, which lower the amount of the individual's taxable income. The value of tax credit depends on the nature of the credit. The effective rates is that your total tax divided by taxable income. An example, your tax bill is $11,017 and taxable income is $70,000. Your effective tax rate will be $11,017 divided by $70,000 or 15.7%, and basically it'll give you the answer. But the importance is that import taxes are fees that imposes the government on products imported into the country. So here's an example. If you buy stuff from China, so I know everything's not from China, but let's take an example. If you buy something that's made in China, like toys or product items or whatever it is, or stuffed animal or whatever it is, if you buy something that says made from China, that is where the importance comes from. Because see, the importance is that it says here, if you look paying close attention to the bold words, it says fees. It says important taxes are fees imposed by government on products imported into the country. That is what that means. So if I was buying something for Walmart, for example, if I was buying some Walmart and I looked at it, it's made from China, I'm thinking that this product or this, whatever I'm buying is from China. Like clothes are made from China. I don't know if that's true, but you look at stuff. Some people say that it's made from China, some people it's not. But most likely, if everything wasn't here, we would not buy this stuff from China. But China is made from China. See, Chinese people made all this product for us. That way we can use these products. But the more amount of money we have to pay for taxes, then that's a less stress for our heads. But the problem is that if we don't got enough money to pay our taxes, we could be in bankrupt, which means that we probably lose our house, we probably lose our home, we probably lose everything. I'm not talking about the bills, tax is a bill. So if you got a bill that says taxes, then it says that you got no money because you're a bankrupt. Unfortunately, you're probably screwed. I'm just saying because it's important to pay your taxes. Some people don't like paying their taxes, but it's the law. If you don't, then I kind of feel bad for you. Okay, so let's wrap things up for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to slap a like button. Don't forget to join G Nation channel by subscribe. It's totally free. We're trying to get to 300 subscribers before 2023 ends. So can we get there? Let's see. I'll see you guys next time.